ChatGPT has just dropped a bombshell that is going to change e-commerce forever. This is a kind of feature that could actually build generational wealth for your family. So in this video, I want to break down exactly what it is and how you can take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So make sure you watch until the end. ChatGPT has just released what they call an instant checkout. On their website, it's called an Agentic Commerce protocol. I know it sounds techy, but what it means is that ChatGPT just went from recommending products to letting you buy them inside the chat with a single click. And the crazy part is that you can start selling your products within ChatGPT also. Every single week, over 700 million people open ChatGPT to ask for questions and recommendations and get answers to all of their most burning questions. Up until now, ChatGPT could only suggest products. You'd still have to open a separate browser, browse for the product on Amazon or Best Buy or whatever it is that you're looking for, and then purchase it outside of ChatGPT. Now, with this new update, you can purchase your products directly inside ChatGPT in a single click. This is going to change e-commerce forever. And let me tell you something from personal experience. When I was setting up this whole video YouTube studio, I was looking for a good quality camera and a lens. And no matter how many times or different ways that I would ask for recommendations, it kept recommending the same product. I would keep asking ChatGPT questions like best lens for YouTube, best lens for portrait, best lens under $1,000, and it would just keep recommending the exact same model. And it actually felt like I had no choice. It was like, this is it, take it or leave it. And so I went on Amazon and then I spent $800 on a lens, which I probably wouldn't have spent if ChatGPT told me a $300 recommendation instead. I would have just stuck to that. $3,000 later, I bought the camera and the lens. Now, the crazy thing is now with this new feature, I would have been able to buy that camera and that lens directly inside ChatGPT. Now, the cool thing about it is not being able to buy inside the app. The cool thing about it is being able to sell inside the app. So if you're an e-commerce brand or have products for sale, getting listed inside ChatGPT is going to be the way of the future to get visibility on your products and your brands. This new feature is a massive paradigm shift because for the past 20 years, we used to Google and search and browse through all these different products and then make our own educated decisions. What ChatGPT is doing is that it's closing the distance between desire and decision. So the less options that you have to choose from, the more likely you are to make a purchase right then and there. What this means for e-commerce sellers and brands is that you no longer need SEO, you no longer need to spend on ads, and you don't need middlemen. All you need is for ChatGPT to recommend your products. Now let's get tactical because I want to walk you step by step on exactly how you can apply to have your products listed inside ChatGPT. So step one is just to get your products ready. So whether you sell digital downloads or e-commerce products or supplements, it doesn't matter. You need to make sure you have a listing, high quality photos, descriptions, and also very clear pricing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to ChatGPT/merchants and you're gonna click on this instant checkout for merchants in ChatGPT. You can see here that it turns chats into checkouts and you're able to sign up right then and there on their website. Here it kind of explains the application form if you're interested in applying. So all you have to do is fill this in, give them all the information that you need on your products, your pricing, your description, high quality photos, and then ChatGPT will let you know if you've been approved to have your products listed within their ecosystem or not. This gives you access to pure exposure for $0 inside the world's most trusted AI. Now, some of you are probably thinking, well, I'm not a big brand, or I don't have a Shopify store, or it's only available in the US. Yes, while this all might be true right now, just remember that every platform starts small. TikTok used to be just dance videos, and now look at it. Amazon was just books, and ChatGPT used to be just text until now. One of the questions that it asks you that is extremely important that you'll see here is that it says our product feed is ready to go and meets OpenAI specifications, which can be found here. Now, this is the most important part of your application that will ensure that you get approved. If you click here, you can see what their product specifications are. So you have to make sure that the listing that you provide OpenAI has the following specifications so that it can be put into the algorithm and then listed in the chat. So make sure that you check out the specifications and be sure to follow it to a T to ensure that you get approved. So here's the part that nobody's talking about. ChatGPT has turned into a trust layer. When people ask for recommendations, they they don't question it. They pretty much just believe everything that ChatGPT has to say. And that, my friends, is the difference between information and influence. Google would provide you with information and then you can make your own decisions, but ChatGPT just influences your decisions for you because you just believe whatever it recommends. The cool thing about that is that if it's recommending your products, you can literally print money. So you can either wait for everyone else to figure it out, or you can move first. Because 90 days from now, when hundreds of millions of people start to search in Black Friday or Boxing Day or Christmas special sales, you want to make sure that your products are visible on ChatGPT before then. The brands that are already integrated into ChatGPT are the ones that will dominate the market. I actually saw a post on Instagram this morning that says that most brands generate 40% of their annual revenue during this time of year specifically. We're officially entering the age of Agentic Commerce, where AI doesn't just answer your questions, it fulfills your intent. It has become the world's largest e-commerce marketplace that is hidden in plain sight inside a simple conversation. The only question left is, will your products be there when people start asking? If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe. And as always, if you're a creator and entrepreneur navigating the world of AI and want to join a beautiful, like-minded community, be sure to join mine at GetEducated.ai, and I will see you on the inside.